Hi everyone, welcome to the Canadian School of Bahrain. I'm the school principal, Abby Saadeh, and I'll be taking you on a school tour. We opened our doors in September of 2019. Next academic year, 2021 to 2022, we will be adding grades 6 and 7. We'll also be adding 1 to 2 grade levels each year until we reach grade 12. Our school follows the Canadian British Columbia curriculum. The BC curriculum teaches students using core competencies, which are communication, collaboration, creative and critical thinking, and personal and social responsibility. The school focuses on a student-centered approach to education, with all of our BC homeroom teachers being British Columbia, Canada certified. The main language of instruction in our school is English. However, we acknowledge the importance of the Arabic language integration and its integral part of our program. Our curriculum is based on the following subjects: English language arts, math, science, social studies, health, music, arts, and physical education. We also offer Arabic language, Bahraini Arabic Social Studies, and Islamic Studies. All of our classrooms are state-of-the-art classrooms with TVs, smart boards, and smart projectors. Each preschool classroom is equipped with its own washroom. We also have exit emergency doors in each preschool class. When our students graduate, all of our students receive a British Columbia, Canada high school diploma called the Dogwood Diploma and a Bahraini Tawjihi. These diplomas will enable our students to apply to any university around the world. Our students also receive a PEN, which is a personal education number, and that means that they are registered in a British Columbia, Canada school. We also offer health insurance to all of our students in case any accidents or emergencies happening during school hours. This is our school clinic. We have a certified nurse that is available during all school hours. This is our playground and outdoor lunch area. This is our outdoor football field. There are 2 building phases to our school. The elementary school is phase 1A, and we're currently operating on the 1st and 2nd floors. Next year, we'll be operating within the entire building. 2021-2022 marks the opening of phase 1B of our new building. We are proud to announce the opening of our art room, music room, gymnasium, canteen, science lab, home economics room, and the library learning commons. We are taking all measures as per the Bahraini Ministry of Education recommendations for reopening the school for the 2021-2022 academic year. We are looking forward to welcoming our new students in the 2021 and 2022 school year.